So are you struggling with this? Then I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Go to your phone menu, scroll down to the settings bottom, tap on the settings, scroll down, tap on app management. Now tap on app list. Wait for it to load. After loading, tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Tap on show system. Tap on the search applications. And what you have to do is to type in Google PL. Now you're going to see Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Let's start with Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on uninstall update. Now this is going to pop up. Tap on OK. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Go back and tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure you allow notifications over here. So turn it on and go back. Now tap on the force stop over here. Tap on OK. Go back and tap on Google Play Services. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on uninstall update. Tap on OK. After that, tap on the storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache, which is down below. Go back and tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on, which is very necessary. Go back and tap on notifications. Make sure you allow notification is turned on. After doing this, you have to go back and tap on the force stop. Now tap on OK when this pop up. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to restart your device by tapping on the power button for small. And you're going to see these two options, which is the power off and also the restart button. Select the restart button and try to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, like and share this video with your friends.